This is the ultimate Halloween cookie. Dark cocoa, roasted pumpkin, warm spice, and gooey chocolate in every bite. Let's bake. We're going to start by using real pumpkin for a deep caramelized flavor. Roast your cubes at 200 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden and soft. Blend them into a smooth puree, then let it cool completely. Roasting instead of boiling is a game changer. It keeps the puree rich, not watery, so your cookies stay chewy and not cakey. Now let's bring this dough together. Start by creaming your softened butter with light brown sugar and white sugar until it's nice and fluffy. This gives us that soft, chewy texture later. Next, mix in the egg yolk, your roasted pumpkin puree, and a splash of vanilla. It's going to look a little curdled at first, but don't worry, that's totally normal. In another bowl, whisk together flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Then fold the dry ingredients into the wet mix until everything just comes together. Finally, stir in your chocolate drops. This is the moment it starts to smell amazing. Once it's all mixed, pop the dough into the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes so it can firm up a bit before baking. Time to bake. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees and line your trays with parchment paper. Once your dough's chilled, scoop it into little mounds, about 2 tablespoons each, and space them out because they'll spread a bit. Bake them for 12 to 14 minutes, just until the edges are set but the center still looks soft and slightly underdone. Once they're out, let them cool on the tray for about 5 minutes so they can firm up a little before transferring them to a wire rack. The crazy part is how good this pumpkin cocoa combo smells. Who knew? Now the fun part, let's get spooky. Whisk together your powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a few drops of orange food coloring until you get a smooth, drizzly glaze. Once the cookies are completely cool, drizzle the glaze over the tops in random zigzags. The messier, the better. While the glaze is still wet, stick on some candy ice or sprinkles so they set right in. Suddenly you've got spooky little monster cookies staring right back at you. And here's the perfect Halloween cookie. Soft, spiced, chocolatey, and spooky. These cookies really are as delicious as they are fun to bake. Try the recipe at home, show us your spooky creations, and don't forget to subscribe for more cocoa-filled magic. Check the description for the full recipe and tips, and happy baking, Cocoa family!